Hey everyone, it's Kevin here with Views About Anything, and today we have the Samsung Galaxy Buds Live. These are those bean-shaped true wireless earphones, as you can tell. I got these with my Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. I did the whole pre-order thing and got the notification, and it came with 250 bucks worth of, extras that you could select from different items that they had. So I got these earbuds and a couple other things I'll unbox for you guys as well. But first I thought I would just do these. So the box is pretty plain. I went with the blue ones because my new phone is blue. So I thought not that it's gonna match. These are a gloss finish where that's a matte finish, but at least the color's the same. This side, nothing. Back side, it just tells you about it. So we have the ergonomic fit, as they say, 6 to 21 hours of playtime. And then also the triple mics for clear calling and the active noise cancellation. Bluetooth, and they're tuned by AKG, which, is nice, but AKG is owned by Samsung now, so I would say it means a lot, but I don't think it probably means as much as it used to. So, as you can see, just broke the seal for the first time. Let's see what you get in the box here. So, here in the front, on the top, looks like we have a little pamphlet here. Yep. So you get quick start guide, your terms and conditions in the top. Then here we have the earbuds themselves. And here in the bottom we have a USB to USB-C cable, and then 2 extra tip parts here, it looks like. Yeah, 2 extra of the rubber bits. So, move this to the side. Here's the buds themselves. They have a little bit of paper, feels like, or that super recyclable plastic around it, which is nice to make sure they don't open up while in transit. So here they are. Very small case. I actually really like it. I thought this case was gonna be bigger than it is. So it's very nice. And then there's the buds themselves. So there's a little bean shape, very small. And here's a little rubber bit that helps hold it in your ear right here. Gloss surface, as you can see. You have your 2 pins there and there for charging. There as well. You can see right there is where the hole is for let sound into your ear. There's a vent here, and then we have our microphone here, another vent there, and then it looks like where it said there's 3 microphones, so they might have some hidden in the vents as well because they're there. That, I'm guessing, is a proximity sensor to make sure to tell if it's in your ear or not. It feels like, yeah, there's little magnets as well, and that clicks shut. You have a notification LED there to tell you the charging status. And to compare for you guys real quick, I do have my 2 other true wireless earbuds cases and everything. So just to do a quick size comparison for you guys. So here's the Jabras on the right, the Sonys on the left. So these are the 65T Actives. These are the 1000 XM3s. So you can see by far the Sony's largest case, and even, the Samsung's even quite a bit smaller than this Jabra. The new Jabra case is a little bit smaller than this one, but the Samsung is still much smaller. I don't have any AirPods on me, or AirPod Pros. I would have to say from memory, the AirPods case is probably a bit thinner, but the size of it is a little bit smaller on this one. Your dimension this way and this way. And the same thing with the Pro. The AirPods Pro are a little bit wider, but I think it's probably very similar in your height dimension here, but it is going to be thinner. So looking at the buds themselves real quick, I'll take the right one out of each of them. And there we go. So now you can see the 3 different buds. So as you can tell, yet again, the Sony's is the largest, then this one, then the Jabra. So it looks like the Samsung is the smallest. I don't know the fit of these yet. I just opened them with you guys, so I will have a review. Also compare the audio performance between these 3, the fit performance and all that other stuff. But you guys might be asking why didn't I go with the new LiveBud Pros? Well, I didn't really see the purpose of spending extra money on them. They had these on a bit of a discount if you got during the pre-order promotion. So I already have these for my active noise canceling, and these are by far the best on the market currently until Sony comes out with the new 1000 X Mark IVs. So I have these for that. I have this for the gym. I thought these would be good since they don't block your ear canal to wear it like work, walking around and things like that. So these would be good for that. So I don't have to use a heater through mode or anything. They're not really blocking my ear canal with a silicone or foam tip or anything. So that's why I did that. Save a little bit of money since I already had these other 2, and it's a neat accessory. And also, obviously Samsung didn't do it again, so this might be the only time we see that design, and I thought it'd be interesting to try out. So yeah, if you guys have any questions or any comments, obviously leave them down below. Like the video, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.